Protect and unlock the full power of your drives. Yottamaster HDD enclosures make it easy to turn internal hard drives and SSDs into portable, high-speed storage, perfect for backups, media libraries, and expanding your workspace. In this video, we've chosen the best 5 Yottamaster HDD and SSD enclosures that stand out for design, speed, and reliability. Let's dive in and find the perfect solution for your storage needs. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Yottamaster DM3 HDD Enclosure. Designed for people who want full control over their digital life, this smart private cloud storage solution transforms the way personal and family data is stored, accessed, and protected. Instead of relying on third-party cloud services with recurring fees and privacy concerns, it creates a secure, personal data hub right inside your home. From precious family photos and videos to important work documents, everything stays under your ownership while remaining easily accessible anytime, anywhere. It seamlessly backs up data from multiple devices including smartphones, computers, social apps like WeChat, and even external drives, ensuring nothing important is ever lost. Acting as a true home memory center, it allows family members to privately store, view, and share photos or videos remotely, making it perfect for staying connected across distances. Whether you are at home or traveling, your data remains just a few taps away with fast and stable global access powered by worldwide network nodes across 6 continents. What makes it even more versatile is its dual functionality. When connected directly to a computer, it works as a high-speed portable hard drive without needing a network connection. This makes it ideal for quick file transfers, offline backups, or travel use. At the same time, it supports smooth remote office workflows by syncing files across devices, sharing documents with colleagues, and enabling efficient teleworking without complicated setups. Compatibility is broad and user-friendly, working effortlessly with Windows, macOS, mobile devices, tablets, and even TVs. It supports both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch mechanical hard drives with capacities up to 20 terabytes. Giving users massive expansion potential. Multi-account access and shared public spaces make collaboration simple, while centralized storage and strong security help prevent data loss from device failures or unexpected cloud shutdowns. This balance of privacy, performance, and flexibility makes it a powerful alternative to traditional cloud storage for modern digital households and professionals alike. Pros: private storage, multi-device backup, remote access, dual mode. Cons: no included drive, initial setup. Number 4. Yottamaster DR2C3 HDD Enclosure. Built for users who demand speed, stability, and professional-level data management, this high-performance hard drive enclosure offers a powerful upgrade for both personal and work environments. It is designed to support 2.5-inch drives with flexible height compatibility, making it suitable for a wide range of HDD and SSD storage needs. Whether used for daily backups, creative workflows, or long-term data storage, it delivers consistent and reliable performance that meets modern expectations. With advanced SATA 3.0 support and ultra-fast USB 3.1 Gen 2 connectivity, transfer speeds can reach up to 10 gigabits per second, significantly reducing waiting time when moving large files. UASP acceleration further enhances performance by improving data transmission efficiency, resulting in noticeably faster read and write speeds compared to standard enclosures. This makes it ideal for professionals handling high-resolution media, large datasets, or frequent backups. The enclosure is available in multiple versions, including a 2-bay option that supports hardware RAID functionality. This allows users to choose from different RAID modes to balance speed, capacity, or data protection according to their needs. Hardware RAID management simplifies setup while increasing safety and efficiency, making multi-drive operation more stable and secure. A reliable power design ensures smooth operation even when multiple drives are running simultaneously. Smart usability features add to its appeal, such as the intelligent sleep function that automatically puts drives into low power mode after 10 minutes of inactivity. This helps extend drive lifespan reduce heat, and save energy, with the option to adjust or disable the feature through firmware or third-party software. Heat management is further enhanced by a full aluminum body with front and rear ventilation holes, allowing better airflow and effective heat dissipation during prolonged use. Combining durability, speed, and flexible storage configurations, this enclosure serves as a dependable storage solution for professionals, tech enthusiasts, and anyone seeking safe, high-speed external storage with advanced control options. Pros: high speed, RAID support, strong cooling, stable power. Cons: no drive included, premium price. Number 3. Yottamaster FS4C3-A HDD Enclosure. Engineered for heavy-duty storage demands, this enterprise-class external enclosure is designed to handle massive data workloads with exceptional stability and speed. It supports both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA HDDs and SSDs, making it highly flexible for professional users, NAS expansion, media studios, and large-scale backup environments. With the ability to manage extremely high total storage capacity through daisy chaining, it becomes a powerful backbone for growing data ecosystems without compromising performance. Ultra-fast data transfer is achieved through USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C connectivity, delivering speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second under optimal conditions. This ensures smooth handling of large files such as 4K and 8K video, high-resolution photo libraries, and complex project archives. At its core, a smart dual-core chip architecture enhances transmission stability and efficiency, minimizing data errors while maintaining consistent performance during prolonged operation. Power stability is a key strength of this enclosure. Equipped with a robust 150-watt power supply, it is capable of supporting multiple high-capacity hard drives simultaneously without voltage drops or performance degradation. Even when fully populated with large-capacity drives, the system runs smoothly, making it suitable for continuous operation in professional and enterprise-like environments. Integrated intelligent protection modules further reduce the risk of data loss by safeguarding against unexpected power issues and transmission instability. Thermal management is handled with equal precision. A large 80mm silent cooling fan works alongside a honeycomb ventilation design to efficiently dissipate heat. The fan automatically adjusts its speed based on internal temperature, ensuring drives remain within safe operating ranges while keeping noise levels low. This intelligent cooling approach helps extend drive lifespan and maintains reliable performance during intensive read and write tasks. Built with durability, intelligence, and performance in mind, this enclosure offers a dependable solution for users who require high-capacity expansion, fast access speeds, and enterprise-level data security in a single, well-engineered system. Pros: massive capacity, high speed, strong power, smart cooling. Cons: large size, higher cost. Number 2. Yottamaster VN500RU3 HDD Enclosure. Created for users who need expandable, reliable, and professional-level storage, this multi-bay external enclosure delivers a strong balance of performance, capacity, and stability for demanding data environments. It supports both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA HDDs and SSDs, making it a versatile solution for home NAS setups, creative studios, small offices, and advanced personal storage systems. With options for multiple bay configurations, it allows users to scale their storage effortlessly as data needs continue to grow. High-speed data transfer is achieved through advanced connectivity that delivers up to 5 gigabits performance, enhanced further by UASP acceleration technology. This optimization significantly improves transmission efficiency, allowing real-world transfer speeds to reach up to 235 megabytes per second. Large file transfers, media backups, and multi-drive operations feel smooth and responsive, even during extended workloads. A high-quality internal chip ensures consistent data flow, improved stability, and reliable performance across all connected drives. Power reliability plays a critical role in multi-drive systems, and this enclosure excels in that area. A robust 150-watt power supply provides sufficient and stable output to support multiple high-capacity drives operating simultaneously. Even when fully populated with very large HDDs, the enclosure maintains steady performance without sudden dropouts, making it suitable for continuous operation and long-term data storage tasks in enterprise-style environments. Thermal control is intelligently designed to protect drive health and ensure consistent operation. A silent cooling fan works together with a honeycomb-style ventilation structure to efficiently dissipate heat. The fan automatically adjusts its speed based on internal temperature, keeping drives cool while minimizing noise. This smart cooling approach helps extend the lifespan of installed drives and ensures stable performance during heavy read and write activity. Built with durability, performance, and scalability in mind, this enclosure offers a dependable storage foundation for users who require safe data handling, flexible expansion, and efficient heat and power management in one solid external solution. Pros: multi-bay, stable power, efficient cooling, UASP support. Cons: large footprint. Number 1 and the winner is Yottamaster DF5RU3 HDD Enclosure. Its solid construction provides a durable housing that keeps multiple hard drives safely organized while reducing the clutter often caused by scattered storage devices. This makes it an excellent choice for offices, creative professionals, and home users building a centralized storage system. With support for SATA 3.0 technology, it ensures smooth and consistent connectivity for both SSDs and HDDs. This allows users to take full advantage of modern drive speeds while maintaining compatibility with a wide range of storage devices. Fast 5 gigabits per second data transfer capability enables quick access to files, efficient backups, and seamless handling of large media libraries or work projects without unnecessary delays. The 5-bay design significantly expands storage capacity, allowing multiple drives to operate within a single enclosure. This setup is ideal for users who need scalable storage without constantly swapping drives. It also helps streamline data management by keeping everything in one secure location, improving workflow efficiency and reducing the risk of misplaced or disconnected drives. RAID compatibility adds an extra layer of flexibility and security. Users can configure RAID modes to prioritize performance, data redundancy, or storage efficiency based on their specific needs. This makes it suitable for scenarios where data protection is critical, such as archiving important files, managing business records, or storing valuable media content. The enclosure is engineered to maintain stable performance even during extended operation, making it dependable for long-term use. Combining speed, capacity, and structural reliability, this enclosure serves as a practical solution for anyone seeking organized multi-drive storage with enhanced performance and data safety. It bridges the gap between simple external drives and more complex storage systems, offering power and convenience in a single, well-designed unit. Pros: RAID support, multi-bay, fast transfer, durable build. Cons: bulky design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.